I'm creating this amazing chat application, and this application will be combined with WhatsApp, Messenger and Telegram, and every features will be extended from WhatsApp or Messenger or Telegram, and will create a dynamic chat application. And you can see here everything in this reusable smaller component, like this menu, this sidebar content will be dynamically changed using global state management system, Just and every feature like real-time notifications, real-time status messaging, group chatting or one-to-one chatting will be implemented here. Every feature is just here will be just dynamic. Now it is a static design that created with React Next.js, and will create a combined chat app. And this is the initial preview of our app. And here, this is our active chats. This is this dummy data we are displaying, and here user can able to search anything in the chat. And this is the menu, and everything on this UI, it is just everything is just reusable smaller component. And if I focus on client and on the set, these components, just on the few lines of this component to create this amazing chat application. And we can switch between dark and light theme. Also, we will implement here a multi-religion or multi-language support, and whenever user click, this particular chat will be shown. And this is just dummy data. I have not implemented this. I will create this just with dynamic data from database. And I'm currently logged in. If I log out, then I will be just navigated to login page. If I log out, then I'm navigated to login page. And this is the feature. And our sidebar content also will be just dynamically changed, and we'll implement on this here like real-time typing indicator. Not only a single P2P chat or one-on-one chat. We'll implement group chat and real-time typing indicator from will store user information, everything on database. And we will create a extendable chat application. Time does not matter how much it will take. So if it takes years or 5 years, it does not matter. We will just recreate this and we'll create a combined chat application. So this is just a preview, but I will create a step-by-step tutorial for you. So I was just trying to create a initial look of our app, and I will create everything from initially from step by step. Okay, everything will be dynamic, like user can replay forward message, and here like every chat will implement this. And everything like this menu is just reusable. We are just changing content, and it is just appear in here. Just we have this placement, and it is just appearing in here and changing content, and it is everything is dynamic. Click outside, it is removed. We are using Shadchain UI. Okay, so this is the update. And after completing to just create one-on-one chat, and here I will implement real-time user status or active chat from database. And when I click here, then it will be just shown on the right side chat, and I will be able to message. It will take just 1 or 2 days. After that, I will be starting create step by step from beginning to this section. Then after that, we will be just move to implement a lot of features, and we'll implement every feature from like WhatsApp, Messenger and Telegram. So it does not matter. It is just simple and easy. So after this completing this tutorial, you will be able to do anything as a full stack developer. You know this basic JS and basic Node.js, and just if you know this basic JS or React, then it is just plus point for you. But if you don't know anything, then just search for React crash course, or I have video on I have already have video on the YouTube. you will find it. Just check on it. Okay, just watch a video about React crash course, Node.js crash course. I will use Ban as a package manager, and everything will be just customizable. We'll implement like the single project will be enough for you to make a strong portfolio, because as a full stack developer, what you need to do, like file sharing, like any type of file, image, audio, video, and store on the cloud, manage on the server, managing files on the server, and like whenever we delete, then message will be automatically delete from here, also from database, also from just other side. We will create real-time chat application, and this like whenever we message, then this user anywhere in the world, or if it is just group user or group chat, then every group member, like every member in the world, anywhere in the world, then they will be able to access real-time messaging. Okay, so the single project to show on your friend to your web development skill. So or you can, on the next time we can convert it on a app, but this single project will do on our whole life. So this one project will be just enough for us. Everything we will use modular architecture if we focus on code. This is a simple code created with TypeScript, and it is nothing. I will discuss everything from step by step. So I was trying to create myself, and after that, and it will be just easier to create tutorial after testing myself. Okay, this is our server with modular architecture, like this, like that. I have already created a video about that. So like every module, this user module, chat module, so this is smaller component like that. We will create a fully functional full stack chat application combined with Messenger, WhatsApp, and Telegram. And this is our like components. This is our set components, and this full component. And we can also here like resize this, and we can navigate, and user can just scroll to this, and we will implement infinite scrolling for getting and messages and everything. And this is fully dynamic. Okay, and this is just on the mobile screen, and we have removed user menu button from the top. And if we click here, everything is just globally manageable. Okay, everything is just globally manageable. We will able to switch between chat. We will able to just this menu on the, it is just automatically just switch positioned this drop down. We are using Shadchan UI, and the user can just here, if we go to mobile button, then user can scroll between this chat, also scroll between this recent chat, okay, or this conversation. And whenever this user will click, then this particular chat will be open, and this page will be removed. And we'll implement here like profile page, like profile page content in here, like edit profile, upload images, and here contact info. Here will show notifications, and we can add another button. It is just simple and reusable. You can add anything to do, just understand just how actually it is working, how real-time functionality works. We will also implement for audio and video calling. For just we will implement WebRTC for audio and video calling. And so for now, this is our application. And if we log out, and it is just redirected to our home page or sign-in page. This is the sign-in screen. We switch to, okay, there is not, I have implemented that thing. And if I log in, that's redirected. And if I not logged in, then user will be not able to access this chat application. Okay, and I'll post this code on github.com/AWebCode, github.com/AWebCode. slash linky. Oh, sorry, not linky, AWebCode slash linky. So this is our repository. You'll find every updated code in here. And I have features on that. I just notion dot. Okay, if I go move to this URL, then I have created a documentation about this set application. What we will implement, like we'll implement like real-time messaging, group chat, file sharing, email notifications, and real-time notifications, user profile, managing users. Like in this application we will able to use 6 type of database with Prisma, okay, with same functionality. So including MongoDB, PostgreSQL, and MySQL. Okay, like this is your chat features, what we will implement, like online incident /scene, typing indicators, and message live scene update with everywhere, okay, like both this user and or connected another user will be shown. Whenever user seen message and give message here, then this message will be seen, delivered, and everything will be customizable and will be stored everything on database. So this is our basic chat overview. And after created, whenever we click here, then this particular chat will be open on the right side. And after creating this section, I will be starting to creating this set application step by step from beginning, and we'll recreate this from beginning. And after when we will reach on this section, on this page, to create it step by step, and when we complete to creation from this to this part, then we will be start to extend more feature, like every features will implement in here, and we will extend every feature from WhatsApp, Messenger, and Telegram. Time does not matter what it will take. And just follow me. We will be able to doing like real time. You will able to making real time any type of application. You will be able to making any type of full stack application. So in my case, on the web development as a developer's most hard part to make or implement real time mechanism, but normal real time, suppose one-on-one chat and just for chatting, sharing files, it does not matter. But implement a lot of functionality. If you see on the Messenger, there they have just a lot of functionality, and like if you just look on the Telegram, then they have a lot of functionality. So we'll implement everything, and we'll create a combined chat application and chat web application. Okay, so this is that is it. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to get latest update every day, and I'll push code every day in here. You'll find it here, but I can make it private. So just copy it and follow me step by step. I'll recreate again step by step, and this repository I will make publicly accessible, and you will able to access my code every day. So I'll recreate this, and my whole life I will just create this single chat application with WebRTC, Socket.io, Node.js, Ban, Prisma, Next.js, and React. Okay, so thank you so much.